Stage 3. Your goal for this stage is to position the white corners and go from this to this. To get them in the right place, you need to work out where they go by looking at the color and then match them up with the centerpieces, like this.
It's a perfect match.
Here's how. Rotate the down face until the corner you need in the top layer is directly below its intended location. You know you have it right if it matches the center color, like this. Quick tip. If a corner you need to reposition is already on the up face, but not in the right place, then just move it to the down face like this. Right inverted, down inverted, right. Now, just rotate the down face to place it below its intended position and make sure the corner is at the bottom right of the front face, like this. Now, check if the white tile is on the right face like this, on the front face like this, or on the down face like this. If your cube looks like this, with the white tile on the right side, you'll need to do it this way. Right inverted, down inverted, right. But if your cube looks like this, with the white tile on the front, do this. Down inverted, down, right. If your cube has the white tile on the bottom, then you'll need to do things a different way, like this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right. Repeat the process until all 4 corners are correct. Now your cube should look like this. And if it does, well done. That's some seriously great cubing. Time to move on to stage 4.